Just got to the gym. Today we're training biceps and triceps. So let's get into it. Welcome back everyone. Today is my once a month bicep and tricep arm day. We're starting off with easy bar, and I kind of just want to show you what I do when I warm up. I start off super wide. I'll do about 5 reps, and then I'll jump in a little bit wider, then a little bit closer, shoulder width, and then I'll end with super close. And like I said, 5 reps each before I get into my working set. All right, so we're gonna start off with our working set. I wanna make sure that my wrists are straight throughout the entire movement. My philosophy over the years has always been heavy weight, high volume. So that's basically what I try to do. All right, so this is my 3rd set. Guys, I'm gonna be doing 4 sets of 12 reps. I'm really gonna be trying to overload my biceps. Oh, let's see. Every arm day, I try to make sure I get in some type of hammer exercise. So we're doing it with this one, which is the rope cable curls. And for you short girls out there, here's a little trick. If you have a rope, it's too long for whatever reason, you guys can tighten a knot and shorten it up a little bit. And I've kind of been doing this thing where I point outward at the top, and I like the way it feels. And I'm trying to keep my range of motion. I don't know if you guys could see, like kind of in between. I'm just basically not trying to go all the way up like this. So I'm just trying to keep tension on my bicep muscle the entire time. Of course, now that I'm talking, I don't even know what rep I'm on, but I'm just gonna go till it burns. Yes. And we're gonna move on to the next one. I was laughing earlier because Hunter says after every single exercise, I like jump out of frame. I don't know if you guys could tell, I'm still a little nervous. Obviously it's getting easier to be on YouTube and talk to the camera and stuff, but I'm like, what do I do now? So I just like jump out of the screen, but I just thought it was funny. So this is going to be the last bicep exercise before we move on to triceps. And I call this the high cable curl, but some people call it crucifix curls. I just like high cable curl better, the way it sounds. With this one, what you want to do is make sure when you're curling, you're almost doing like a back double bi. So what I like to do is drop my shoulders down and almost practice flexing it out. You don't want to be pulling it forward, having your shoulders high or anything like that. So I'm going to be doing 4 sets, 12 reps. A little tip that I want to share with you guys is to get an attachment that spins freely in your hand. It just makes it so much more easy. We're moving on to triceps, and we're gonna start with body weight tricep dips. And I'm just doing this one with no weight because I wanna get my triceps really fired up. I also love to do this whenever we are in the sauna and I'm bored just because I need time to pass by. And just do some tricep dips. And since it's body weight, I basically just do as many as I want until I feel the burn. Woo, it'll come fast. Ouch. First, I want to show you, if you've never done dips on a bench or a chair, what I like to do is literally tuck my hand right beside my hips and then slide your booty off. And that's basically where I like to be. And then I stop at like a 90. I know everyone's range of motion is different, but for me, the 90, and then straight back up. I don't want to lock my elbows out. I kind of like to keep them slightly bent and back down. So I have my 45-pound plate. Whew, she's heavy. Okay, same thing, I just slide my booty off. Oh. $11, $12, and this exercise I think is amazing for shoulder mobility. I think shoulder mobility is so important, so anytime you can take advantage of an exercise that helps with that, do it. Okay, so this next one is an overhead dumbbell tricep extension, and I like to basically do like the diamond pose when I pick up this dumbbell. Then I squeeze my elbows almost against my head, drop down to a 90, and push up to the ceiling. Woo! This is another one that is great for your shoulder mobility. I would start off super light, especially if you've never done this before, and then just get the feel of the motion. So I'm doing this on a bench with no back because my gym doesn't have one of those seats with like the lower back. But if you guys have that, definitely do that because it'll allow you to have more stability throughout the entire movement. I'm just using my core for stability today. This is the last workout. We did a total of 3 biceps, now 3 triceps, and we're doing cable pull downs. And in order for this to feel comfortable, you need to get a bar, a bent bar, that swivels like this. Otherwise it's gonna feel stuck or like glitchy and it's just not gonna be comfortable for you. But I stop around here, 90 degrees, and then back down for tension. Squeeze. I have a confession, I wasn't counting, but I'm still aiming for 12. is that one always the hardest? All right, everyone, that concludes this bicep and tricep workout. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you give it a try, and farewell.